Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove an F250 headlight. First, ensure you have the right tools, specifically a ratchet, an extension, and a 10mm socket. Once you have your tools ready, open the hood of your truck. You'll then need to locate the two bolts that secure the headlight assembly in place. Use your ratchet and 10mm socket to carefully loosen and remove these two bolts. This initial step is crucial for freeing the assembly. With the two main bolts removed, the next step is to gently pull the headlight assembly straight forward. It's held in place by a few clips, so a firm but careful tug should release it. As you pull, be very mindful of the wiring harnesses connected to the back of the unit. You don't want to yank on them. Support the assembly with one hand as you work to prevent any accidental damage or strain on the wires. Now that the assembly is loose, you'll need to disconnect the electrical connectors. There are typically 2 or 3 connectors for the various bulbs, like the main headlight and turn signal. Each connector has a small release tab. Press this tab firmly and then gently pull the connector straight off. Take your time with each one to avoid damaging the plastic clips or the wiring itself. Once all connectors are free, the headlight assembly is completely detached. With all the wiring disconnected, you can now carefully lift the entire headlight assembly away from the truck. It should come out smoothly without any resistance. If you're replacing the unit, you can set the old one aside. If you're just working on the bulbs, you'll have full access now. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals. Reinstallation is simply the reverse of these steps, ensuring all connections are secure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.